title, Overcoming Hardship with Faith, the power of La Ilaha Illa Allah, can bring peace, clarity, and strength during times of hardship. A reminder to turn to Allah in moments of difficulty and trust in His plan. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My brothers and sisters, as we navigate the ups and downs of life, it is natural to encounter moments of hardship. The world can sometimes feel overwhelming, and it is easy to become consumed by anxiety, sadness, and fear. We may seek answers from the people around us, trying to find solace in their advice and guidance. However, the true source of peace, comfort, and strength is always Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In times of distress, we must remind ourselves of the powerful words that the Prophet Muhammad PBUH used to say during moments of difficulty. La ilaha illa Allah al-azim al-halim. La ilaha illa Allah rabbul arshil azim. La ilaha illa Allah rabbus samawati wa rabbul ard wa rabbul arshil kareem. These words are a profound declaration of our faith and reliance on Allah, the creator and sustainer of all things. They are not just words, but a powerful means of seeking Allah's help and mercy. When you say these words, you are reminding yourself that there is no God but Allah, the Almighty, the Wise, the Lord of the throne, the Lord of the heavens and the earth. As humans, we often forget to turn to Allah first when we face challenges. We seek help from others, from temporary solutions, and sometimes we find ourselves drowning in the noise of the world. But in those moments, we must remember that Allah is always there. He is the one who has the power to relieve our burdens and grant us peace. It is narrated that the Prophet Muhammad PBUH taught us to rely on the supplication to Allah in times of hardship, saying, "When Allah afflicts you with something, only He can remove it." The words, La Ilaha Illa Allah, are not merely a phrase, but a shield that protects us, reminding us of the greatness of Allah, who is capable of solving every problem in His perfect way. In times of distress, we often feel overwhelmed and lost. It may seem like no one can understand or help us, but the truth is, there is no situation too great for Allah. Even when we feel our struggles are beyond us, Allah's mercy and power can overcome all. When you find yourself struggling, say with sincerity, Ya Allah, do not delay in solving this problem. I do not deserve to be answered, but I ask you by your name, Al-Alim, to solve my problem. This is the beautiful thing about the power of supplication. You don't have to have the perfect words. What matters is the sincerity in your heart and the faith that you place in Allah. He knows what is in your heart before you even utter the words. One of the most profound ways to connect with Allah during hardship is to remember His attributes, like His sovereignty over the throne and His role as the creator of everything. The words La ilaha illa Allah should echo in your heart, reminding you that there is no higher power than Allah, and in His hands is the solution to all our problems. As we continue through life, we must always keep in mind the importance of turning to Allah first in every situation, especially in the hardest of times. This act of faith brings us closer to our Creator and fills our hearts with peace. The key is trust, trusting that Allah's wisdom is greater than our understanding and that His plan for us is always the best. In moments of despair, say, La ilaha illa Allah al-azim al-halim, La ilaha illa Allah rabbul arshil azim, La ilaha illa Allah rabbus samawati wa rabbul ard wa rabbul arshil kareem. This is not just a prayer. It is a reminder that Allah is with us in every hardship and that His power can change our circumstances in an instant. My brothers and sisters, life may test us with trials, but we must remember that there is no challenge too great for Allah. Through patience, prayer, and faith in Him, we will find peace and relief. No matter the depth of our struggles, we should always return to Allah, for He is the ultimate source of strength, guidance, and mercy. So, next time you are facing difficulty, stop and reflect. Trust Allah. Say these words from the depths of your heart. La ilaha illa Allah al-azim al-halim. La ilaha illa Allah rabbul arshil azim. La ilaha illa Allah rabbus samawati wa rabbul ard wa rabbul arshil kareem. This is the key to unlocking peace in your life, my brothers and sisters. Let these words remind you that no matter what you're going through, Allah is greater than any hardship, and His mercy is always within reach. May Allah guide us all and grant us peace and patience during times of hardship. Ameen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.